Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see how to delete a Facebook account permanently in 2022. And this is a step-by-step tutorial in order to delete a Facebook account completely and permanently. So now let's jump into it. And in this video I'm gonna delete this Facebook account permanently, and as this is a step-by-step tutorial, please follow up in order to delete a Facebook account completely. So now let's proceed to the step 1 by clicking on the Facebook profile icon, and in this drop down click on settings and privacy, and here it will show me the sections such as settings, privacy checkup, privacy center, and many more. So now I'm going to click on settings, and this will redirect me to the settings page, and I can change my name, username, contact, and many more. So now I'm going to click on your Facebook information over here, and here it will show me access your information, transfer, download your information, and so I'm gonna click on the last option, which is deactivation and deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. So now I'm gonna click on view. So now we have successfully reached to the deactivating or deleting Facebook account page, and here we have two options such as named deactivate account and delete account. Deactivate means we can temporarily delete our account, and if we change our mind, we can log in back and get our account. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna deactivate or I'm gonna delete this account permanently. So now I'm gonna proceed with checking on delete account. This is permanent. So now I'm gonna click on continue to account deletion, and here Facebook will ask me if I prefer, I can deactivate my account, or it asks me to download info of my account or transfer. So I don't need any info to retrieve. So now I'm going to click on delete account, and this will ask me to confirm my account details by entering my password. So now I'm going to enter my password. So now I have successfully entered my account password. So now I'm going to click on continue, and confirm permanent account deletion, and you about to delete your account permanently. If you are ready to delete, click delete account. Once you submit your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate. So when we click delete account, we can log in back and reactivate account in 30 days, and after 30 days we can't get our account again, and we can't retrieve any information. So now I'm going to delete this account. So now I'm going to click on delete account, and this will delete my account permanently, and so your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you got into Facebook within the next 30 days, you will have the option to cancel the deletion and retrieve any of the information you have added to your account. So now we have permanently delete our account successfully. And that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you in the next one.